When considering the potential for integrating technology into schools, there are barriers, as classified by ITMA as first order, such as equipment and training, and second order, such as teacher beliefs and perceptions, which can impede technology integration. But of all the faculties represented at a school, the possibilities for technology integration found in industrial technology and design are greater, as ITD teachers naturally bias the use of emerging technologies to deliver curriculum content. So, of the top 10 industrial design trends in 2024, as indicated on this blog post from Start Us Insights, 7 are either directly related to curriculum priorities or are tools which can be used to achieve curriculum outcomes. Following is a brief description of 6 of these technologies, links to the ITD classroom, and potential barriers to the inclusion of each. So, 3D printing. Whilst 3D printing technology in industry is rapidly progressing towards using materials such as metal and ceramics, this rapid prototyping technology is also being utilized in design and technologies classrooms. Students are taught to create models and prototypes of complex designs to accompany project folios as an affordable and sustainable means of design iteration. Using this technology in the classroom prepares students for the workplace and fosters creativity as students produce physical representations of their ideas. Potential barriers to this technology include the availability of and training required to use this equipment. AR and VR, or augmented reality and virtual reality. This technology is useful in industry for training, safety, and inspections, as well as immersive experiences of designs. Augmented reality can interact with the workplace to add virtual elements and overlay information onto physical environments. Engineering and design students can access these technologies to visit environments important to assessments, such as Mars, otherwise inaccessible, creating a highly immersive experience for the student and a way to engage with these environments that otherwise would not be accessible. Potential barriers with AR and VR relate to the equipment, the time required to use the equipment, and staff training. Next is sustainable design. Whilst not linked with a specific technology per se, it is a growing concern for industry as well as a cross-curriculum priority embedded within the Australian curriculum. Much of the world's industry is working towards reducing environmental impact. They're working towards a greater understanding of life cycle assessment and offering sustainable services to promote reducing, reusing, and recycling of materials. In design classrooms, the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals are used as a resource to engage students on a global level whilst focusing their attention toward a more sustainable future. There are no obvious barriers to inclusion of sustainable design in the classroom. CAD, or Computer-Aided Design. This software is used by industry to create the plans and models for every new concept. CAD software has developed to the point where it can be used to draw a machine part, design a house, model acoustics, and conduct structural analysis. Whilst a lot of these applications are beyond the scope required of a school student, the basic features of CAD programs are useful for both design and engineering students to design, model, and analyze their ideas. With CAD moving to cloud-based computing, it'll become even more powerful as more demanding processes are calculated faster. Potential barriers to CAD software are access, training, and support. Biomimicry. Biomimicry is when technology imitates nature, taking inspiration from shape, movement, and unique properties. Leonardo da Vinci first imagined a flying machine, by drawing inspiration from birds over 500 years ago. And through the process of innovation through biomimicry, we now use aeroplanes to travel between continents. We use rockets to soar into space. Design is the subject which incorporates the idea of biomimicry more than other strands of ITD. It's naturally connected to the ideas of sustainable design and human-centered design as a focus for technology creation. No obvious barriers are evident to the integration of biomimicry in the classroom. Finally, generative design and artificial intelligence. AI is not coming. AI is here. Generative design is an IA-powered method for the generation and optimization of engineering designs. If industry is using AI, students must be taught the correct foundational use of the technology. This is highlighted in the Australian curriculum through curriculum connections in the digital technologies learning area, but has implications across the whole school as students are learning to access generative AI. They must be taught how to ethically and responsibly use and credit this work appropriately. Barriers to integrating AI in the classroom include the time it takes to teach the students, as well as the perpetual training required to keep up with this constantly evolving technology. So, whilst there are barriers which could impede the integration of many of these technologies into school classrooms, the ITD faculty, having close links to technologically centered industries and workplaces, have the potential to overcome these barriers because the curriculum is designed to support the integration of technology to enhance the learning outcome.